Dear journalists, are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Shall we begin the press conference?
Yes, sir.
So you can take the briefing and you can jot down. You may have got your notepad. You can use your notepad, please. You can use your notepad. Open to questions. You can ask the cross questions once the briefing is over. Once the briefing is over, you can ask the questions. The first will be briefing for the day. Dear media persons and my all the colleagues here. So today we have a press conference as the organizations needed to brief you, as you people are the messengers of the society. You take the issues, you took the message to the people in common across the country. Therefore, the organization found it fit to take this issue through you to the people in common. The press conference is about the newly developed English scene. This is andragogy. In English training, for the very purpose, this English scene has been devised and developed in view of the growing demand of English communications in today's job market and personal growth. The English scene for communication skill has been devised by Lingua Multi-Services Private Limited with the aim of ensuring a quick and easy grasp of the language changing ability. Friends, British Lingua coined the slogan English for all for this social venture with the mission of helping people more particularly country youth avail themselves of advantages of communication skills. The scene here stands for a structural cum interactive method. The approach is as you insert a SIM in your mobile, you are the liberty to talk to the person with whom you want. Very similarly, the SIM the British Lingua is coming up with will be a kind of a SIM. When you use it, it will enable you to hold a conversation in English with the persons with whom you want to interact. Our aim is here to help youth, more particularly youth. So this is andragogy. The pedagogy deals with teaching children. Andragogy is here imparting education, training to youth. Dear friends, it's a high time. I reminded you of a sentence of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who is the architect of Indian Constitution. Once he said, English is the milk of lineage. One who drinks it becomes a lion. It means if you learn English, you get more empowered in the society. And the first of all, this became true in a sense that he improved his English and he became the architect of the Indian Constitution. Had he not learned English, he would not have become a lawyer, he may not have got an opportunity to study abroad. Similarly, if you all learn English, if our country's youth learn English, it will add value to them. As India is the only country in the world where 1,652 languages are spoken. It is beyond one having the knowledge of all these languages. So English has become linked language in the country. As a country adopted 3-language formula in way back 1963 under the Official Language Act, where it has been declared that the English language will continue as a medium of communications and official transaction for infinite time. It means English is to stay in the country. It has become a linked language. We must understand this fact. Friends, I would like to quote here Dr. Samuel Johnson, who made a lasting contribution to the English literature. He wrote, "Language is the brace of thoughts." So if you speak a particular language, it is reflected in your personality. So your thinking or tinkering highly depends the language, the quality language that you choose to speak, you choose to communicate. Coming to this English thing, what it contains, what it has. We have developed a teaching methodology in that we take care English sounds. How English sounds have to be mastered. There are 44 sounds in English. These need to be mastered than words. While learning words, it's not merely knowing the definition of words. It's not Hindi equivalent, Hindi translation.